Reporting Tools. Acumatica provides reporting tools to deliver customized business intelligence to everybody in your organization. Using Acumatica's reporting tools, you can modify existing Acumatica reports and develop new ones which can be delivered online, converted to PDF, or delivered via email. In this video, I will demonstrate 3 reporting utilities that are included with Acumatica. The first is a web-based financial reporting tool. The second is a Windows-based desktop utility that allows you to create custom views of your data. The third is a generic inquiry designer for building database queries. The web-based reporting tool is located in the General Ledger module. The report definition screen allows me to specify input parameters and define the appearance of my report. Each report consists of a row set, a column set, and a unit set. The row set allows me to define the content and appearance of rows within my report. I can specify which accounts to include by defining an account range or an account class. By specifying my data sources in this manner, I can modify my chart of accounts without having to modify my reports. Each row can be printed as a single line or expanded to provide a line for each account. The column set allows me to create side-by-side comparisons over different periods. Each column can display values at different points during that period. I can create a column with a type called calc to show percentage differences and make other comparisons. The unit set is an optional feature which allows me to define a tree structure for my reports using sub-accounts. This allows me to create reports for different products, subsidiaries, and regions without creating and managing separate reports. I can add reports to the system sitemap so they can be accessed by everybody. Reports can be added to any menu and can have specific access controls. I can run a report by selecting it from the menu and specifying any required parameters. As I'm viewing this report, I can display groups because I specified a unit set when I created the report. The Acumatica Report Designer is a desktop utility that can create a wide range of reports using any table and field in my database. I can import a list of database tables and fields using web services to define the schema for my report. In this example, I will modify an existing report with a schema that is already defined. Within the schema, I define the tables, relationships, data filters, sorting and grouping details, and the parameters that users define at runtime. After defining my schema, I can drag and drop values into the header, detail, or footer sections of the report. If required, I can add additional sections to each report. Within each field, I can define properties which change the design and appearance of my report. When complete, my report is saved as an XML document, which I can include in any Acumatica menus, just as I did with the balance sheet in the previous example. The Generic Inquiry Designer is an online query tool for creating database queries that can be added to my sitemap and dashboards. To write a query, select the database tables you need to include. Next, relate the records in the table using the key data fields. In the Conditions tab, describe the records you want to select. In this example, I referenced an input parameter that users select when the report is run. Finally, select the fields that you want to display in the results grid. In this case, I created an inquiry that lists all of the sales quotes for a particular customer. This query can easily be added to the Acumatica sitemap and made available to anybody with the appropriate access rights. Acumatica reporting tools are completely integrated with the security policies and datasets defined within your application. This means that customized business intelligence can be distributed to everybody according to data security policies that you establish. Advanced functions like converting to PDF, emailing, and exporting to Excel are instantly available for all reports created using any reporting tool. For more information about Acumatica, visit our website to read documentation and view other videos.